Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to find a solution about Google Drive, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. As you see in this list, you'll enter to Drive. Here in this page, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, we click storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on your Google Drive. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.